Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Samfx YouTube channel, and this is Poco X3 custom ROM reviews. This is MIUI SR edition. As yesterday I was speaking about this in live streaming. Most of the people are not joining my live stream. I don't know why, and people are complaining that you are not getting a notification about that. Anyhow, this is a MIUI SR edition. You can see here little bit refinement has been done. It's a port ROM, but still I really like it. I am using this ROM in MIUI Mi 11X, the Poco F3 from long time, the same version. Let me change this display a little bit. The video looking a little bit pale to my eyes. This one, the color, no color setting is not given here. What is this? Image engine, no. It's really annoying. The color scheme option is simply missing in this ROM. How can they miss that? Anyhow, okay. That's how the MIUI SR edition to 14.0.23.1.9 developer edition. Let's see it's an Android 13 or not. If I go into detailed info specs, yes, it's a Android 13 based ROM only. You can see. I am surprised seeing that color scheme option is missing in this ROM. Anyhow, Android security patch is January 1, and version details you can see 4.14.190 perf kernel has been used here. The smoothness in the UI is available, and the customizations are available in lot more ways. Let's start with the MIUI lab itself, and you can arrange this MIUI lab also. If I go into main menu, as you can see, currently kept to ancient. If you want, you can keep it tab box on hierarchy and allow this one, apply changes, then it will be MIUI 13 control center. Again, it's a default now. If I press like concentric, it will change for certain period of time. That's how it is. And monitor for volume panel, if you want, you can enable that. Currently you can see it's also enabled now. Monitor system apps, if you want color, coric, and monitor for system apps, it will adjust according to that. Monitor app icons, again for app icons also, if you want to make it dark or colorful, whatever it is, there are a customization available. Disable blur, quick launch, and other things as you can expect. These things will be available in main menu settings. If I go into notifications, again you can see, oh no, I pressed the apply changes. It will take some time to reboot. Anyhow, okay, iDot style notification center, if you want, you can enable even lock screen, colored icons. Notification panel color also you can enable and change them. You will get a lot more customization, and how many icons you need to keep it in the notification, that you can arrange. As you can see, currently it's in different style. This is what I'm really like it in VNR SR editions. This is really interesting. You need to definitely use this. As you can see, now I want to edit some of the options, like keep it this mute volume to this side and keep it done now. Okay, it's still to move that side, Bluetooth. Okay, we'll do that. As you can see now, music and this one auto brightness toggle, and this one you can rearrange them however you want, and this music panel and mute button also arranged, and these are concentric style, and there are some other styles also what I explained. And notification background color also you can change. I mean, when you use like this, then the background color you can change them. First color, second color, gradient, orientation, stroke color, stroke width, corner radius, everything will be adjustable, I mean customizable here. Dialer mode, before showing that, let me show you the actual dialer. As you can see, this is how the dialer looks like, and you get a direct video call feature here. Also you get a call recording feature that will not announce the other person you are recording the call, which is good thing. Many people like that. Now maximum call brightness, if you are making any call or if you are getting any call, then it will be maximum call brightness, which will be useful when you are at the outside. Again, global style dialer, now you can see it's a little bit tweaked. Let me close and again open this. You can see now it's global type dialer has been done. Again, global style in call, whenever you get call you will be getting the style. Again, color names in call log, if you enable, you can make individual color. For incoming color you can choose the color out call color, missed call, new contact color, ejected call color, voicemail color. Individually you can choose each of the colors, which is really cool here. These are the dialer modes you get. And new control center, again MIUI 13 big tiles paint. If you want these tiles to be bigger enough, then you can enable that. Currently I don't do that. And again toggles customizations also you can do. Again you'll get a lot more customization here. And MIUI 13 toggle corner radius also you can customize from here. Seek bar customizations are also available here, as you can see. Even there are a lot more customization like primary background color, second background color, slider primary color, slider secondary color, icon color, stroke color, and stroke strength and the slider radius can be adjusted from here. That can be done from this particular MIUI SR lab in the MIUI SR customizations. Now status bar mods, again there are few given, as you can see. Disable toggle label and iOS style volume and player you can see. If you want you can do that from here. There are some of the styles, DSB style and SR style and custom status bar style, padding top left right corners you can adjust them. There are numbers from 0 to 5 you can adjust that. Lock screen status bar padding top you can do that. Status bar logo you will get SR logo here. If you want you can change the position of them and you can change the style of them, as you can see. If you want to make it iOS, it will be written iOS. It will be your choice completely. I kept MIUI SR here. Replace small 4G icon you can enable or disable from here. Status bar tint also you can disable or enable from here. Again status icon tint, dark mode, light mode, you can choose the colors from here. Now moving into some other settings like pulse mods, you can see pulse title, again you can change from here. You can enable that show pulse audio visualization on the navigation bar and turn on lava lamp, pulse color, choose mode. As you can see, again there are fade and solid available, sanity level, pulse bar width, spacing, block size, block spacing, lava lamp speed also you can adjust here. It's currently 10,000. You can customize from here. Sanity level, lines count, lines opacity, lava lamp speed, everything is customizable here. And now moving into miscellaneous, here good thing is you can show me account on top of the settings. If you want you can enable that. Again theme app or save, you can make the theme whichever version you want. There are 5 versions default. I mean it's a mix one. If you want China based, India based, Indonesia, Russia based theme icon, theme application, you can customize from this MIUI SR lab in miscellaneous settings, as you can see. And me account, if you want to show that in the settings panel, you can enable from here. Again enable VPN option is directly embedded in the UI, no need to use any third-party VPN application. Google or Alexa, if you want you can enable that. Again vibrate and successful unlock of fingerprint is also given. Vibrate if unlock failed with fingerprint also. Success and error vibration, what we see in some of the AOSP ROMs, those things are given. Replace screen time is also given. Secure app screenshot, if you want you can enable from here. Spoof for games, this is important. If you want to get a high FPS count in BGMI, PUBG Mobile like games, then you need to enable here. Then only you will get a high FPS in those games. I will be showing within a while. Again power menu, you get old style power menu. Let me show you that. As you can see, if you disable that, now it will be in this kind of power button you will get. You can even choose the choices. Let me make it style 7. Now it takes a little bit of time, maybe it takes a little bit of time, but it will be reverted to whatever you change. New extended menu, again if you want you can get that extended menu. As you can see, you get a lot more options. You can directly boot into recovery. Also you can keep it airplane and silent mode from here, which it acts as a alert slider. It's very good. And MIUI 13 power style, again choices cream red. Now it will change. As you can see, these things of customizations only available in this particular ROM. Some of the customization will be available in some of the ROMs, but combination of all these customizations only available in MIUI SR edition, that's present in this now Poco X. This is the review of that. Icons, again navigation custom bar, and you can see on the top of the icons, as you can see how I made the battery icon style. You can do that from here. Not just that, you also get this charging animation, again these 4 types will be given in any custom ROMs, but you can enable the amperes, how much it is, and indicator height you can enable that, and battery indicator, normal color, low color, power saving color you can choose individually. It's already red, green and yellow has been chosen, but if you want you can customize them. That's really good. And even custom flow charging color also, there are start, end, middle, circle start, middle, end, and proc color. You can adjust them. Top color strip under 20%, 60%, 90%, water wave color below 20, 60, 90% can be customizable, which is huge in customization this ROM is. Hence I am starting with this MIUI SR lab itself. And launcher mods, again you get these kind of things. You can downgrade the apps if you don't want the higher version of that particular app. You can downgrade from here. GPU tuner is also here. Third party launcher you can enable or disable from here. Now these are the customizations. Now let's move into actual settings. Starting with wallpapers and personalization, again you can see library. You get plenty of super wallpapers pre-installed here, but downloading them is a little bit hectic in any of the custom ROMs. You need to manually install these apps, then it will be working fine. But MIUI 14 wallpapers are working fine. As you can see, some of the MIUI 13 wallpapers are also pre-installed here. These are the wallpapers you get. Again, always on display and notification effect, those things are present here. Icons, again you get this monet customization. If I keep it to blue background color, as you can see, some of the Google apps will change into the accent color to blue, but it is working. In some of the ROMs it's not going to working, and these settings remains the same. Any of the notifications and audio, other settings you can see. Always on display is also working fine, no problem regarding that. Next, moving into display, I already explained that color scheme options is simply missing here. Refresh rate, you get options of default, and custom refresh rate I kept to 120. Keep the same, it will be super smooth to use this particular ROM on Poco XH/NFC. AI image engine, these options will be not going that much changeable because it's a LCD display. These all features available for AMOLED displays, just they added because it's a ported ROM from Mi 11X, something like that. Hence those options are present, but don't use that. It will not make any huge difference. And extra dim display, this is a little bit different. If you want to try that, you can try that. And even reading mode, those things are given here. Just color scheme is missing, and dark mode is pitch black condition. Font settings, those things are given here. If I go into sound and vibration, again everything is similar. Profile video for incoming calls is given. Additional setting, these things you can enable or disable from here. Sound assistant is also given here. Notification and control center, again control center style you can change them. Additional cards you can add from here. As you can see, smart home, disable that. If you use Mi Smart Home application, Mi Home and Google Home, then you can enable that. Status bar, again battery indicator, you can choose 4 among them. You can hide the notch if you want. You can choose individual notch. Once the app is not playing in full screen, then keep it, for example select this audio wizard and keep always show notch, then it will be playable in full screen. And connection speed, if you want, you can enable that from here. That's it. And if I go into home screen, again these are the settings I already explained in some of the other ROMs, MIUI EU and some of the other ROMs. You can check out the MIUI Elite ROM, similar settings. I don't want to waste your time. Similarly, you get here all the options are same in this launcher and home screen customization. Fingerprint and actually face unlock should be there, but once you go into additional settings and change the region to India, it will not show you the face unlock. If you want to get that, go back and change it to China, then you will get those options. Language and input, again people ask me about this. These are the languages available in this particular ROM. As you can see, not many languages available. Even Indian specific languages, regional languages are simply missing here. And these are the options. Again, front camera assistant, which is a new thing, and tab plus, which is nothing but a video toolbox, and floating windows, you get it. Memory extension up to 5 GB is given, which is good thing. Kit space is given. Quick replies is given in the notifications. You can enable or disable from here. Again, accessibility menu is also given. Without actually using the physical buttons, you can use that, and you can toggle the notification control center. These are the things given in this particular ROM. And battery, again you get balance and performance. I even tried charging with 33-watt charging. It's quite fast. You will be getting that Mi Turbo Watt 33-watt charging support is available. Once you want to play games like BGMI, just enable in performance mode and use it. You will get a little bit boost that performance, and in normal time keep it balanced. Don't do battery saving option, turn that on, no, it will drain the battery. That you need to keep in mind. Fingerprint I will show you. Security options, some of the options like earthquake warning, and these are region specific customization or the options. Those are not enabled in every country, those are just region specific. These are the things, guys. And home screen, again you get this icon shape changes, and widgets you can enable that, and camera you get proper Leica integrated camera here. Those things are present. Now moving into gallery also, as you can see, and there are some 2 to 3 types of file manager has implemented here. You cannot uninstall one, as you can see. You can't even disable that. That's the one thing they would have been done the options. Now gallery, you get this kind of, if the image has a sky, go to edit and select here AI and change here sky. As you can see, you can keep this kind of changes here. As you can see, if you want to make it evening like this, you can make the entire image, which is good thing. A AI based image editor is pre-installed in this particular ROM. I mean, in any MIUI ROM it's available. This is the updated one. You can see you can make fireworks like this, and other things can be done, and basic settings are available. That sky feature is highlighted here in the edit. And again in the gallery you get this kind of option: recognize text, create PDF, protective watermark, adjust button, I mean options. Those are new MIUI 14 version 1. And again even in video you can see I'm importing. You get filters, enhance, captions, soundtracks, aspect ratio you can change from here. You also get pro features like templates were pre-installed. As you can see, you can enhance the video experience. You can edit your video here itself in the gallery. Again, these are the CPU throttling test results here. You can see the maximum is around 188 and average is 164 and minimum is 117, which is throttled to 73% of its max performance. And you can see the graph is almost green with little bit of yellow and orange lines, not red one. And 73% of max performance is very good performance in this particular ROM. You can definitely use it as a daily driver. This custom ROM, the MIUI SR edition, is most recommended for even gaming and even high performance. Other things I will be showing you. With that you can make a decision. Now the payment applications, those things, and here Magisk is pre-installed here, hence the ROM is pre-rooted here. It will be not a unrooted ROM, it's directly installable. If you want, you can uninstall them. And the audio wizard, you get this kind of Dolby effect like that, but it is not opening for some reason. If you want to use Dolby Atmos support, you can manually flash through Magisk here. And if you want to hide the Play Store application, then it will be you will get Play Store certification, I mean done, the safety net status. Let me do that and I will show you. Hide the Magisk app. Here you also get the options here, hide the Play Store. Then if you can do that, the safety net status will get passed and you can use all the payment applications. Currently it will show failed because it's a rooted ROM. As you can see, you need to manually do that. And if you're looking for that kind of daily driver that payments can be done and all, choose some other options are available. Elite ROM available, EU ROM available, MIUI Moon available. You can try one of them, but this is a hardcore performance ROM and hardcore customizations in MIUI. If you're seeking such kind of thing, then you can definitely try this. And DRM information, obviously you will get a level 1 certification, no need to worry regarding that. And Geekbench scores here, it's a fantastic score I got. As you can see, 541 is single score and 1540 is multi score. And Linux 4.1 4.190 perf kernel has been used here as a kernel, but the scores could have been better. And running Android benchmark is a little bit difficult because if I turn on the, I mean if you open and run the scores, the sounds are not getting muted. Even I tried with this muting that, but still it's not happening. This issue I found in some other ROM. Similarly I'm finding here, hence no benchmark results. Antutu one. Hope explained everything. There will be a chance of missing something to explain in this ROM because there is a lot more customization within this given period of time. I can't explain everything, but I tried much of them to explain in this video. Now let's see how it handles the BGM and wind up this video. And you can see the graphics can be set up to smooth plus 90 fps. As I said before, in miscellaneous settings you need to change that. And volume level you can see here, it's around 80%. Now the volume level is also fine here, no problems what I seen. And the performance of the ROM in terms of gaming is also very good. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. And if you like the video, give it a like. I will be motivated to make similar kind of videos. Graphics is set to the same, smooth plus 90 fps. Our device will get a little bit of warm if you play continuously around 4 to 5 hours. Definitely after 2 hours you will notice. It will make a huge difference when you turn on that miscellaneous settings, I mean high FPS in games. It will make huge difference. Just turn on if you are a hardcore gamer. And fingerprint unlock you will get like this. Let me show you. As you can see, there is no option of press and touch options, that's missing here. But anyhow, this is the MIUI SR edition. It's a port ROM, but in many of the fields it's working fine, and this iOS recent type apps will be done here. It's super smooth ROM available for Poco XC. You'll get now lot more options here in terms of MIUI custom ROMs. You can choose one among them. It's up to you guys. I will be explaining each and everything. You can judge based on that, and all these toggles are working fine. This is how the MIUI SR edition for Poco XC/NFC. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.